One point now. This device, the Duck 3, can detect transformer with this selection. So the type of the transformer could be either single phase, primary delta, or primary YN. One point, I'll say not detected, but in DC mode, the first test that we do, this test, primary open. So the duct is connected to all three bushings. What if H1, H2 is open? I have a probe here, here, and here. Okay, so I have my probes and I'm looking for continuity. So this side I'm open, but I can join H1, H2 going by H3 winding. So I have no way to look for one winding open. If this one is open, yes, this path is, well, let's say, is open, I'll know it. But if only one winding is open on the delta, this one, I will not be able to know it. But this is not the safety issue. This has it's not a safety issue. If one leg of your primary is open, there is no issue with the worker. If you put the fuse back on, nothing will happen. I mean, it will not work. You'll know it, but the worker or the lineman is not in danger. Totally different with YN. If YN, because we're connected on the neutral, so if one winding is open, so I'll know it because I'm taking measurement on each winding. Things are different in delta. This point here is regarding transformer that has not bushing but has elbow connector on them. Let's say if elbow are present or installed, you don't have any places to hook the device on the transformer because the elbow is totally covered and it's covering the connector. This is why we are providing pins that fits in the transformer. So the elbow connector is removed, the pin is insert inside the elbow connector of the transformer, and then you can connect the duct to the pin because it's inside the transformer. So this is an optional tool that enables you to take measurement on transformer that has elbow. So you remove the elbow, plug the pin in, and connect to that pin. So this is the pin. They are optional, but I think you have it in your kit. Lastly, if you have access to, I'll say scrapyard, or let's say a utility scrapyard that have a transformer scrapyard where you can make some tests, this is a nice option to start trying the duct. Or if you have a transformer, a working transformer, you can simulate short or open. So you remove one clip, or you make a short on the secondary, you short H1 to ground, and so on. So you can play without going in the field. So either you go in scrapyard, you can try with a transformer that you own, that you have on your plan, or I don't know. One point, if you're outside, be careful about floating neutral. If the neutral is a bushing, for example, or let's say a screw, a bolt that needs to be connected to the case, make sure the neutral is connected to ground. So don't forget on many transformer, the neutral and the case are not connected when they are new, let's say, or they comes out of the factory. So don't forget the neutral. Look for where is the neutral connected. So if the neutral is not connected anywhere and you connect this clamp to the case of the transformer, they are two different points. So will not detect any fault to the body. So I think I covered that. No other point. I think everything's good.